So my game engine adapts the Space Invaders game engine that we created, and it turns it into a tower defense game. And the data-driven feature that I want to highlight the most here is the scene text files. Um, Let me zoom in a little bit. So yeah, so you can see here the zeros and ones represent the tiles on the map, and the zeros are non-traversable for the enemies, but that's where you can place the towers, and then the ones are traversable for the enemies, but you can't place towers there. So those are the paths. And then down here, you have the wave information. So the six is how many waves there are, and then the other numbers are the number of enemies in each wave. And at the top is just the map dimension. So that's all parsed programmatically by the scene. And then you can see the output here. It automatically places the tiles in the correct positions, and then it'll calculate the waves. And if I press space here, I can start the waves, and it'll send out the enemies spaced out. And another feature is the path following component that the enemies have. So they place waypoints automatically based on the text file, and then they'll just follow the waypoints to the end of the map where they disappear and they take health away from the player, which you can see in the UI. No, it's not really UI. It's the title of the window that gives you some information. And there you saw me place some towers. Cost 50 currency to place a tower, and there's like a little ghost tower looking thing that tells you you're in tower placement mode, and it follows the cursor, and then you click where you want. Um, and yeah, the towers automatically send out projectiles that seek out the enemies, and the enemies have, three health basically. It takes three shots to kill an enemy. And there you go. I just beat level one. And you can just load right into level two. There are three levels.